Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a brown and beige interior. Some nice wood grain trim accents throughout as well. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back here. We have our Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC and CLS 550 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. See those accent trim pieces again. Leather seats here. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And looking in here on the driver's side, we have memory seats with the driver's seat controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver seat, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. And we have our mileage currently at 52,690. It's a push button ignition. So here we've got our display, where you can control navigation, radio, as well as the backup camera. Below that you'll find your climate control, and also the buttons to access those various features I was just walking through. Below that we have our cup holder, as well as an ashtray and lighter. Also have your command module here, so you can control various functions on the display. And center console storage. And then finally the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now if you have any questions, would like to see any photos of this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.